this is my rosemary and cloves, and I've had this for the longest time. Let me focus it properly so you see how it really looks like. So I separated it for you so you'll see how clove looks like. This is how clove really looks like. This is rosemary. You can get this from a regular aboki either in Nigeria or any store where they sell spices. You'll find it there. It's very cheap. I think I got it for 500 naira each of these. I just poured it into this one because I already used some, so I just poured the other one into here. But this can, this small plastic cost me like 500 naira. Quite affordable. Let me show you how I'm going to mix my clove and rosemary. So I have a spray bottle. This is my spray bottle. I'm just going to transfer it into this bottle now. I'm going to be putting clean water into it. And yeah. So we have our rosemary water now, and I'm going to leave this for 3 days. You can see now the water is clear. So by the 3rd day, I will show you how it looks like. Go ahead. This is how it looks like. I filtered it. If you have a Muslim cloth or just a sieve that can filter the tiny particles in it, you just use it to filter it, and yeah, spray it on your hair or your child's hair. And like I said, I left it for 3 days, and this is how the color looks like now. In fact, from the 1st day it started changing color, so this is how the color is now. It's brown in color. Is it brown? Yeah, brown in color. And yeah, that's your rosemary and clove water spray.